Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can shop on TikTok and check out during TikTok live streams. It's quick and easy, so let's get started. First thing you have to do is go to your TikTok application and just scroll down to find products that you want. You may come across with videos that has TikTok shop tag. It usually looks like a small shopping bag. Scroll down just like this one. You can click on that and see the product. You can also go to search tab and search for hashtag TikTok made me buy it to see what products are popular, and you can have a look at the products they're talking about. If you still want to explore more products, just simply go to the TikTok shop and check out products you like. There are beauty products, tech products, and more. Once you've found the product that you like, tap on it and click add to cart. You can check the product details like the price, the size, and the color, and more. You can also check for the reviews to see if the product is really good, and when you're decided, click on the add to cart. And from here, you just have to fill out the payment method, the shipping details like your address. You can also add codes or vouchers if you have. Once done, just tap on place order. And now you want to see the products that you like being worn on live stream. What you're gonna do is to go to your feed and you'll come across with live streams, but if nothing is coming up, just simply go to the top left corner and click on the live. And when you see one that you like, tap on it, like this one. And to access product being shown in the screen, click on the pinned product and view all the colors available. You can also check the reviews to see if the product is really good, and once done, you just have to add to cart like that and proceed to checkout. And from here, just do the same like the first one. Fill out the payment details, shipping details, add vouchers if you have, and place the order. And there you go. That's how you shop on TikTok and check out during live streams. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next one.